Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming to my channel. The Rideshare Hub is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money. So in today's video, I'm gonna break down just exactly how I do make $54 per hour. I know what you're thinking, Dylan. What are you, crazy? What are you, crazy? Uber drivers only make $5 an hour. Lyft drivers only make $2 an hour. There's so many people saying different things online, so I'm gonna break it down, show you the screenshots, just how I do it. I know there's some people online who say, oh, you can make 30 bucks an hour, 40 bucks an hour, you know, you gotta use these secrets, these tip-top secrets. And then there's some people saying, oh, you know, you can only make $7 an hour. And then some people say, oh, you know, you gotta drive 80 hours a week. I drive part-time, I only drive 20, 30 hours a week. I can't stand driving more than 40. My body's just not built for it. Even after driving for 6 hours, I want to sleep for 24 hours, but I'm not built for it. Some people are, that's great, you know? Some people are world-class athletes, world-class swimmers. Some people are not. Some people are really good at reading and, you know, memorizing things, and some people are not. You know, we're all made differently, so everybody should definitely have a different approach to this. For me, I know that I don't like driving a bunch. I just like driving here and there. And after a couple hours, I do get very tired. There's other things I like to do with my life besides driving. Don't get me wrong, I think driving is really fun, but there's other things I want to do, like go to the beach and party and, you know, I have another job too. There's other things I like to do besides driving. And if you're like me, you just want to drive part-time and make 54 bucks an hour and call it a day, drive a few hours a day, then you can do that. But at the same time, if you want to apply these methods and drive full-time, you definitely can, and you can make more money. But yeah, so I'm gonna open up my app and let's get the show on the road. Alrighty, now, booyah, here's the past week, guys. 1,350 bucks, 25 hours, 34 rides. Let's just do some quick math here. 1,350 divided by 25, $54 per hour, guys. This is not fake. This is all real stuff, real talk. My earnings, okay. So let's just, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'll just break it down for you. Here's what it looks like. I did 34 rides. I can go to my days. Here's my days breakdown. This is what I do, guys. I go out on Monday, usually I don't drive. Well, on Monday, I know it's a horrible day to drive, but I still want to go out, start the week off on a good note. I know it's weird, I know I should just rest up and drive more on the other days, but that's just me. I like to go out and do a couple hours. On Monday, let's see how many rides I did. What was it? 5 rides. They were all horrible rides. 10:36, did 3 hours. 21 bucks, not great, not good, not even bad. It was really, really bad. 100 bucks on Tuesday, you know, had a good ride in the morning, a couple decent rides, nothing great, good passenger no-show, and an easy 5 bucks right there. Shared ride, $9, a couple of nice tips, nothing amazing. Yeah, like $14 right there outside of the earnings. That's pretty good. Let's see, on Wednesday, 8 rides. This was a long day of driving, my longest day probably. 16 bucks in the afternoon, another 7 bucks, 5 bucks, good cancellation right there. I love cancellations. I don't know about you guys, but if you don't know what cancellations are, it's basically when you show up and your ride's not there, or it's a no-show, whatever, pretty much the same thing. You show up and the guy, for whatever reason, or the girl, they say, oh, sorry, I don't need you, or they just don't even walk outside. I'm not gonna wait. If it's a really long ride, I'll wait, but if it's only a $2 ride, you make more money just canceling the dang thing. So and then that way, you know, you're not wasting any of your gas driving there. You just get the 5 bucks and then move on with your day. I actually love doing cancellations when they don't show up, because you just get 5 bucks and you move on with your day. 4:05 p.m., hour and 43-minute ride, $63. This one right here, that was a long one. You know, and then ended the day off really great. That was good. Made $141 that day. Then it starts getting interesting. Let's go to Thursday. or Friday. Yeah, I took Thursday off. Then I went to Friday. Then this day, guys, look at this. $39 on earnings. So, you know, $6 ride here, $12 ride here, $5 tip though, that was good. Those were some great ladies. They were going out after a wedding, 9:30 p.m. I actually took them to their hotel room and then waited for them while they got changed and then took them back. Usually I wouldn't do that, guys, but they were great. They were really nice about it, super respectful. They just got done after a wedding, and it took me a while to find them, so I already went way out of my way to find them, and they knew that too. They were in a really weird area. They're like, everybody else, their Ubers were just canceling on them because they couldn't find it, but I kind of did know the area. So I went and picked them up, and they were super, super thankful. You know, it was a full car, you know, four of them got in my car, and they're like, oh, can you take us to the hotel and then to the bar? You know, we're just gonna change really quick. And, you know, usually I would have been like, you know what? Yeah, I'm just going to drop you off at the hotel. You can order a new one, whatever. But they were really nice about it. And I said, you know what? Sure. And I actually said, take your time. I didn't mind waiting, which was weird. I think I was just in a really good mood. Some people, you know, you just go out of your way for it. It doesn't matter. And they gave me a $5 tip for that, you know? So, yeah. You know, sometimes it works out. If they didn't tip me, I probably wouldn't have cared, you know, still would have made $7. 25 minutes for $12, pretty dang good. Then I got a really bad ride, 274, 7 minutes, you know, 2 miles, whatever. $6 for my next one, $13, $8, nothing crazy. But I just got a driver referral, so somebody who used my code signed up. And you guys can do that too, you know. It really does help. You're gonna see more when I go into my other, on Saturday, $104. No driver referral this day. But yeah, you know, decent day. These were all pretty long rides. 28 minutes, 36 minutes, 22 minutes, 12 minutes, 47 minutes. Like, you know, this was a solid 3 hours of driving, 3-4 hours of driving. And then we can go back to my next day, Sunday. Another driver referral, $350. Only made $25 on these rides, nothing crazy. But guys, that's how you can see that driver referrals can help a lot. I made, let's see, $400 plus tips. I did get some cash tips too, so that's around $450 plus bonuses. You know, $10 more dollars, passive referrals, tolls. We're looking around $500 of earnings, and then, you know, $900 just on referrals. So I honestly, I mean, call it what you want. I mean, there's some people who say like, you know, oh, I'm cheating the system, you know, I'm just whatever, just trying to get referrals. Who cares? It's money. Go out there, ask your neighbor if they want. Go up and down your block. Ask them, hey, would you be interested in signing up to be a Lyft driver? It might sound weird, but this is money, guys, you know? You're totally allowed to ask your friends or your neighbors or whoever to go and, you know, sign up to be a driver. Who cares, you know? This is like pretty much like a sales job on the side, you know. They want you to be a driver, do your rides, but then they also say, oh, you know what? Sign up people to be become drivers as well. So they even give you your own code, which, like, if they didn't want you to do that, they wouldn't do it. So I definitely recommend doing the driver referral as well as when you're driving. Just ask your friends. You can start up a YouTube channel if you want. Advertise your code on there like I do. My mom is on her way home. Thank you, Mom, for letting me know. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna wrap this up. You guys are great. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all on the next one. Later, guys.